Hello everyone, welcome back to the next video. In this video I will show you how to display the MeshPhongMaterial in ThreeJS. So first of all I will show you the output. So this is how the output looks like, and if I zoom in a little bit, here you can see there is some red color on my sphere as well as on my torus over here, also on the plane. So if I just I'm not sure where exactly it is on the plane, because it is constantly rotating. Anyways, I'm not able to find it, but it is there, as you can see clearly on this particular sphere over here. And if I double click it, it goes automatically to full screen mode, and I'll just zoom out a little. So yeah, that's what we will be looking into. I have created one simple web project using Vite. This particular command I am using vanilla HTML CSS, and I am using TypeScript instead of JavaScript. So once this is done, if you see my package.json, I have installed this ThreeJS dependency, and inside dev dependency I have added the types for ThreeJS. Now inside index.html I have just refactored the code to include canvas. So I have assigned one ID to our canvas. The style is position fixed, top and left is 0 and outline is null. And here I have added one script tag. So here we are referencing our TypeScript file. So if I go to main.ts first, these are all the imports. So if you want, you can just copy paste all these imports, and I also included orbital controls. Next, here we are getting a reference to our canvas element. Then we are creating this MeshPhongMaterial. So the shininess is 100, and the red dot which you see was because of this specular of red. Then we are just creating our scene. I have created 3 mesh, one for sphere, one for plane, and one for torus. Then we are adding all 3 of them to our scene. Now this MeshPhongMaterial requires some kind of light in most cases. So I have created one ambient light and point light. This is the color of the light, and this is the intensity. And for point light I have set some position as well, and then I have added it to our scene. Then we are creating our sizes. Then I have just simply created one camera, perspective camera. I have added it to our scene. These are orbit controls to each and two for our canvas. And then we have just created our WebGL renderer. I have set the size for our renderer. On resize, we are just resizing everything so that it looks proper in responsive mode as well. And here inside window.add event listener, on double click we are just going full screen and exiting it. And here, as you can see, I have created this clock from ThreeJS. We are getting elapsed time, and based on that we are rotating all 3 of these meshes. And here we are just doing controls.update and doing a renderer.render, and then doing windows.request animation frame and passing our tick function. So yeah, that's it for this particular MeshPhongMaterial. Thank you for watching. Bye.